Hi guys! Welcome again to another Christmas DIY video that I'll be doing. Since I have two Christmas vases at home, I thought of maybe putting a little accent to it for the Christmas season. And so let me show you the items that I'll be using for this video. First, I'm taking out the ribbon from my old vase. And I'll be adding it as an accent to the other vase. Now prep the balls and the pine cones. Then put it in the vase. And ta-da! Next, you'll be putting the ribbons on top of the balls and the pine cones. And have the artificial flower foam ready to be put in the center. As you can see, I have to remove the ribbon again to put in the flower foam. And now it's done. Now it's time for the second vase. With the second vase, I decided to just put a ribbon to just add an accent to it. Now have your twist tie with cutter ready. Now for the ribbon, I'm planning to do two sizes of ribbons with the same length. Here's for the first ribbon. Now for the first bow, I made it a shorter bow but with a longer end. And then put a twist tie in the middle. Then cut both ends of the bow tie like this. Now for the second bow, I made sure that the bow is larger and the ends are shorter. Repeat with the first procedure. Put a twist tie in the middle and put both the bow ties together. Now using the end of the twist ties, I used it as a hook at the lips of the vase. But if you have a glue gun, it's much better. So there you have it, guys. These are my Christmas vases for this year's Christmas, and I hope you like this. I thought of using one of the unused ribbons that I bought from True Value. This is also what inspired me to do the Christmas vase kasi I felt na sayang kung hindi ko magagamit, may natira kasi. So I thought of making a Christmas vase para magamit tong light blue colored ribbons na to that is also a part of the Christmas decoration that I did for this year. This is also why I bought the Christmas balls, the light blue colored. And I hope you like this video. Please do give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!